emergency can wipe out your savings in a moment, but the right insurance could save more than just money. Now, we've covered the basics, but now it's time to talk about the real life impact. My next guest, Anthony Simmons, brings both personal and professional experience to show just how powerful the right coverage can be. Anthony, welcome. Happy to have you here. How are you?
Happy to be here. Thank you very much.
I'm eager to dive in, Anthony. From your experience, what are some of the key benefits of having health insurance beyond the doctor visits?
So most of us know what health insurance do, right? So we know that we can use it for dental or vision, but there are a lot of benefits that goes beyond that.
Right.
So a few of those are like preventative care. So that deals with screenings, checkups, vaccinations. Stuff like maternity care as well too.
Okay.
So childbirth or even pediatric visits after. A major thing that Guardian saw the benefit of was the mental aspect.
Okay.
Right? So to include this into their packages, I thought was very forward, very good. So to include things like psychiatrist counseling. And the added benefit of all of this together is the lower cost. Is the lower cost to the consumer, to the client, of having to pay less when it is that they go and use these facilities. So pharmacies, pharmaceuticals, or things like emergency care. So major surgeries, minor surgeries, or sudden illness or accidents. All these things are covered under the health insurance.
Okay, that's great. So it gives you a peace of mind.
Yes, it gives you a safety net to know that you don't have to bear this burden alone. You don't have to bear this burden of the financial aspect alone. It don't make sense that you are in a hospital bed and have to worry about the finances part of it as well too. So we are there to take that burden off your shoulders.
Now, a lot of times we hear about term deductible. All the time we hear about term deductible. What is that?
A deductible is your responsibility as the client first before the insurance company steps in, right? So it's a portion of the claim that you need to take care of first, and then the insurance company will step in. It usually is paid once per year, so it's once per annum. So it's usually a one-time payment. So that is basically like, for an example, you go to the medical facility, the bill is $5,000. Your responsibility is $1,000 first, which if it's $1,000 being the deductible amount. And then Guardian steps in to take care and give you the discount on the $4,000 remaining. Now the next visit, if it's $5,000 again, then Guardian will see to take care of the $5,000 aspect of it.
Okay, that's fantastic. Now, what sets Guardian apart from the rest of insurers?
The brand that they build for themselves as well too. The brand and the wonderful employees and agents that we have here. But also we built one of the largest preferred provider network within Trinidad and Tobago. So that deals with the medical panels we have on our board. So the hospitals, the doctors, the pharmacies. So you could confidently go to any one of these places and use our e-card or electronic card.
Right.
That is another benefit of it. That the peace of mind that knowing that you have this on your phone as a QR code. So when you go, you scan it and your discount is immediately applied to your bill. So gone are the days where you have to file a claim, where you have to pay all up front. Which
could be quite inconvenience for a lot of persons.
It is. So at least you have that mind, your peace of mind knowing that you go, you scan, and at least that process ends there.
So if, for example, someone cannot locate their card when they go for a visit, what happens then?
Well, it's an e-card, so it's on your phone, right? But if not, you contact your agent and they can send back one for you. So we could request one, or you could download it on our portal. Right? So we have a portal for the clients as well to be able to see their policies, to be able to track everything in terms of claims and everything as well too.
So Anthony, my battery is dead on my phone and I go to claim. How will that work in an instance like that?
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out on the location.
Agent. You could, yes. My advice for that is to call the agent, and we will probably work with the network provider and probably email them a copy of it.
Okay, that's fantastic. Now, you may have had experiences as well with persons when it comes to the different products that are sold. And I know you will be passionate about the health insurance in particular. And there are some persons who may be hands-off about wanting to engage with the insurance. What would you share with them?
Well, testimonials basically. So you can ask people who have been involved, who have benefited from it. Right? So I have a client For instance, she was diagnosed with polycystic ovaries and had to do a major surgery.
Okay.
And she called and she explained that to me, and we were able to get the claim. And we were able to pay around 70% of the bill, the total bill, and the bill cost around $50,000-$60,000. So she knew that she could have trusted us to be able to do that for her.
Okay.
And she reached out to me for insurance before, so she knew what she wanted, and thank God she had it.
Right.
So at least she didn't have to fear that financial burden. And also on a personal level, I use it a lot.
Okay.
So things like MRIs, things like scans, stuff like that, I use it a lot as well too. So I see the benefit of it.
Well,
even before I was here.
I certainly enjoy and reap the benefits of the card as well.
Yeah.
It's really convenient,
It's
and we have
convenient.
to commend Guardian for that also. Any additional information you want to share with anyone out there who's listening, who may be uncertain of wanting to delve in?
Yeah. Insurance is a safety net. It's a safety net to you to know that you are not burdened by this alone. Your finances are taken care of, right? So you are not going into this alone. We are here to help you. We are here to make sure that things are sorted, right? So you have to know that you're not bearing this in terms of you're not bearing this or carrying this by yourself.
Okay.
Right? We are here to help when it comes to this.
And if anyone wants to get in contact with Anthony to get hands-on interaction and more information, how can we contact you?
Yeah, you could send me a WhatsApp or call on 755-6914, or you could reach me on Instagram or Facebook at Anthony Simmons, Guardian Life.
Thank you so much, Anthony, for being here and breaking it down, and also reminding us that health insurance isn't just about claims, it's about clarity, stability, and real life impact. Now, let's take the conversation a step further. I'm Tamara Williams.
I am Anthony Simmons, and we are Guardian Life.
I am, you are, we are Guardian Life. I am. Embrace life with Guardian Life.
Every sunrise brings a new beginning, a quiet promise that we're never truly alone in life's journey.
So grateful for this precious life. Embrace it with a fearless stride. Dig so deep to turn your dreams to reality. With a bright future on your side. Through every journey you will find what you've earned and accomplished. You now deserve to be. Embrace life with Guardian Life. Only you can pave the road for your legacy. Embrace life with Guardian Life. Every step is one step closer to live easy.
Embrace life with Guardian Life. Life, health insurance, and pension solutions.